developments from the presidential race. Let's go to Alan and Sandy. Hey, Alan, welcome to
There's a semi up there with a four-wheeler in front of it. Looked like it impacted it sideways. Hey, we need to be in. There's quite a few cars up there on the shoulder too, man. So you better hug that slow lane.
It's like it's dancing or something. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going sideways.
What lanes are blocked, Tyler? Hammer side, driver, hammer side. There's a four-wheeler in front of the semi. Looked like he T-boned it.
Yeah, he sure did. I'm looking straight at it. Yep. Yep. That's nice footage of it too.
What we got up here, Rick?